In the previous videos, we spoke about public, private, and protected attributes. So it means about these guys here. But what about the methods? What about something like this? So it means methods can be public, private, and protected as well. And the logic is absolutely the same. So now I would like to show you protected. I don't have to show you public because all these methods now in that moment are public. So we can use it outside. You can see it here, okay? And I will erase it, but we can. So it means if you want to write a public methods, you can see that it's an ordinary method, okay? And now I would like to speak about method which is protected. Because, for example, here we have an average rating. And average rating means that we can create, for example, protected method or the private, but in this case I would like to create protected because I want to show you protected methods. So we know that protected attributes are with one underscore, and in a method problem it's the same. So if I would like to create an average rating and I would like to say, okay, this will be protected, you put here one underscore, okay, and then that's it. But be careful, because if you use an average rating somewhere else, so it means here in info method, here should be the underscore as well, okay, because that's the point, something what is protected or private. So you can define the method, and the method you can use it in a different method if it is private, or you can use it in a different class if it is protected, okay. But the point is the same. If if the method is public, you can use it outside without problem. If it is private, you can use it only inside the class, and if it is protected, you can use it inside the class or inside the class which inherit from the previous class. So in the bestseller, which inherit everything from the book. Okay, so it means it's absolutely the same. So now we speak about protected. So this method is protected. So it means we can use it inside this class book and inside the bestseller book. Okay, and now if you want to use it, for example, here you have to change the name from average rating to underscore average rating. Okay, so now if I will put here again book 1 at rating 543, and I would like to print the info, okay, like this. So info method, it goes exactly like this. Okay, so we can see that the average rating is correct and it's here. So everything is without error, is without problem. Great. And again, guys, you can of course use this method, okay, because again it's in a please don't do that section like this, okay. I guess that you know what I mean. Please don't do that, okay. So if I would like to create book 1, and here I would like to call average rating like this, I will comment this out so you can see number 4, okay, and it goes from this. So it works, so you can use it outside, but please don't do that, okay, because if something is protected, how we said, it's based here, so it means you can use it only inside the class or inside another class which inherit everything from the previous class, okay, not here. So this is possible, yes, but you can't do that, okay, you can do that. So this was protected. This was protected methods.